So, what 7 investments do the wealthy avoid? Number 1. The wealthy avoid companies they don't understand. Before you assume that stocks are the preferred investment tool, know that not all companies are worth investing for everyone. The simple reason is that some companies that trade on the stock market are so complicated that not even the smartest investors can fully get their head around them. Warren Buffett makes a good point when he talks about how once you don't understand what they do, it's hard to decide if they're a good investment. Here is a perfect example for you. When the dot-com crash happened in the early 2000s, Warren Buffett didn't lose much. His investments were mainly elsewhere, which means that investing in stocks can be an important tool for your wealth, but that you should focus on stocks you understand. So if you need a 500-page manual when investing, it just might be time to move on to the next opportunity. And if you found this series educational, you should really keep accelerating your financial journey by watching this next series where I cover the 7 money rules that the wealthy follow. You don't want to miss that. I'll see you over there.